Hi everyone, welcome back to another Canva tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can resize or rotate a page inside of Canva. First of all, we need to create a design. So we're going to select an 8 by 11 inch design. And here we can see it's made us a portrait design. So we're just going to quickly add some text. So we're just going to put rotate page. And then we're just going to quickly add an element. So we'll use these cute little cats. We will just mess around with that and just resize it quickly. This is just for the purpose of showing you what's going to happen when it is rotated. So we can see now we've got our 8 by 11 inch size design. If we now want to rotate that to be landscape as opposed to portrait, then we need to head up to the resize option. This is a Canva Pro feature. If you're not currently using Canva Pro, then there is a link in the description. If you click on that link, then that will give you a free 30-day trial to try out this feature and all the other amazing features contained within Canva Pro. Select resize and it's giving us some gested sizes. So obviously we could go with the 11 by 8 inches and that would make it landscape, or you can select a custom size if you want to totally resize the page. We're going to stick with the 11 by 8 inches. Now the other options we have is copy and resize. So that would copy the actual design and resize it, or you can just resize the design. So for the purpose of showing you, I'm going to select resize the design, and now we can see that it has rotated our page and give us now a 11 by 8 inch design, and it's now landscape as opposed to portrait. But as we can see, our design is still in the center. Like I said, you can now go to custom size and you could choose a totally different size. So we could go with 7 by 5 inches and we could select that one. It's asking us if we want it to be landscape or portrait, so we'll stick with landscape. Make sure it's selected, and again we'll resize the design. That has now made our design to be 7 by 5 inches. Hope you found this tutorial helpful on how to resize and rotate a page inside of Canva. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.